Hello, friends. My name is Chandar. I live in a village. This is my daily routine. I wake up at 5 o'clock. I feel fresh and happy. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a bath. I wear my school uniform. I eat my breakfast. I eat roti and vegetables. I feel strong. I am ready for school. I take my school bag. Say bye to my family. Bye bye. I cycle to school. I go with my friends. I read school. I say good morning to my teacher. I attend the assembly. We pray and exercise. Then we go to the classroom. Study time. I read my book. I write in my notebook. My teacher helps me. It is break time. I eat my meals. I play football with my friends. I talk to my friends. I feel happy. After school, I come back home. I eat my lunch. I take rest. I do my homework. I help my parents. I help in the farm. I clean the house. I sometimes wash clothes. In the night, I eat dinner with my family. We tell stories and jokes. We laugh a lot. In the night, I pack my school bag. I say my prayers. I go to sleep. Good night, sweet dreams. Like and subscribe for more English videos.